Well, hey everybody, my name's Kevin Snyder, and I hope that you're doing well. I am so thrilled that you're checking out this upcoming training on how to set up a virtual studio, or as I like to say, how to set up your virtual space. So who's this workshop training ideal for? Well, anybody that wants to up their virtual presence. And that could be of a wide variety of people. You know, I speak professionally, but this is also ideal for people that want to get into speaking, or people that do training and workshops, coaching, consulting. Maybe you're a team lead for an organization. You're looking to advance your career. Or maybe you're in some type of sales position like my wife, where if you were to make presentations that are unique and differentiate and help you stand out as a professional, you probably will get the business. So, and if I didn't include you right there, whoever you are checking this out, you have something in you that says, you know what? I need to get better at this. I'm tired of boring meetings, whether I'm leading them or whether I'm in them. The point is this: most people aren't doing anything different. And that's why I'm putting this training together. Okay. And we're going to focus also on answering your questions. So as I mentioned, look, I am a professional speaker. I have a career in higher education, and I left that career to pursue leadership training for a wide variety of people. I wrote a book called How to Become a Professional Speaker, Paid to Speak, which outlines my 5-module process on how to find speaking engagements, but also how to build a speaking business. And this has allowed me to present for over 1 million people through over 1,000 organizations in all 50 states and around the world. From corporate to churches, to colleges, to high schools, to be an MC, to facilitate retreats. It baffles me in positive ways how many opportunities that there are to present. So that is kind of the lens at which I'll be sharing my content with you. But again, I want you to go back to what I said earlier, that this is for anybody that wants to improve their professional presence in any way. And I'll share with you kind of in front of the scenes, kind of like what you're looking at right here, and also give you a little bit of a bells and whistle, a little bit, my virtual studio, where I'm going to take you, again, show you everything in front, but also take you behind. I'll explain every single thing that you want me to explain. Do not let this intimidate you. Do not let this intimidate you. If you let it intimidate you and doubt yourself, you give that control. And that's what most people have been doing for quite a while, and it's time to stop that. Because when I first started this, I didn't even have a Zoom account. I am not a tech-savvy person, but I have grit. And this is my business. Speaking and training is my business. So I made a choice to push through that adversity, to push through that doubt, which I had myself. I felt like an imposter at times. But the amount of people who've asked me to help them build their studio or help them just set up a virtual space, because this is a white wall behind me. I'm in my house. This is simply a bonus room. This is nothing special. However, it might look a little special. I hope it does, but it's because of what I taught myself how to do, which is what I'm going to share with you now as well. So a couple things. Prior to the training, I'm going to share with you 2 videos. So over a cup of coffee or a cocktail, whatever you prefer, watch both these videos, how to set up your studio, also how to use this switcher. And again, do not let this intimidate you. This is basically a little remote control that allows me to go from one camera angle to this camera angle to this camera angle, which is my slides, and then even with my fun little GoPro here, all with this little device here. And I also take you behind the scenes and show you some things. So both videos are going to be very, very helpful for you. And for anybody that does decide to attend, I'm going to add some extra bonus content in there for you. I'm going to give you a link to download both copies of my books for free. Okay? Both copies of my book. This is my leadership book, Think Differently to Achieve Success, #1 bestseller, and also Paid to Speak.biz, which is also a #1 bestseller on Amazon. So I look forward to seeing you at the upcoming event. And if you have any questions in advance, post those in the registration. And you can also email me as well. That way, when we get together, if you've already watched the videos, trust me, it's going to be a power-packed session for you. And I'll do the best I can to get to as many questions as possible. All right? So take care, make it a great day, and I hope to see you soon.
Dr. Kevin Snyder.
Please welcome Kevin Snyder.
Kevin, come on down.
Please join me in welcoming our speaker. Kevin, come on down.
Today, I'm just a reminder for you to dream, to think big,